in life, it is inevitable that you will face a legal situation. All right. And almost everything you do in life is a legal situation. You may not look at it as one, but there's a lot of legal situations that you face and you may not even realize what they are. Every time you sign up for a website and you check a box that says, I agree to the terms and conditions, you are entering a legal situation. Every time a company sends you an email that says, hey, we've updated our terms and conditions, and we're just sending you this email to let you know here are the changes to our policy that we're undergoing. I've gotten emails from like 3 different companies in the last week saying something just like this. And generally, what do we do with those emails? We generally ignore them, right? Every time you buy or lease a car, every time you lease an apartment, anytime you sign your name to any type of documentation, you are entering into a legally binding situation. You are entering a legal agreement when you check a box that says, I agree to the terms and conditions. That situation may or may not land you in court one day, but it is still a legal situation nonetheless. I'm saying all that to help you understand you're always entering legal situations. You don't even realize that you're doing it. Those terms and conditions, those agreements, guess who writes those? Lawyers. They write those. That's why they're so long. That's why they're so boring, and is the reason why you don't want to read them. If you run into a problem in those circumstances, guess who's going to sort it out? Lawyers. Your lawyer versus somebody else's lawyer. So you should know people in the legal industry. Whether you get sued, you want to sue someone, whether you get a parking ticket, whether you get arrested, whether you're considering taking someone to court over some situation, you want someone who can at least point you in the right direction legally, even if they cannot personally help you. Let's say, for example, your friend who's in a legal space, they are a personal injury attorney. They go and sue companies when someone has some type of workers' compensation claim. That's what they do legally. They can't really help you if your situation is a dispute with your landlord, but they probably know somebody who can. And they can point you in the direction of, oh, here's what you could do before you even call a lawyer. Because if you call a lawyer, you're going to have to pay them and it's going to be all this. You might be able to settle this if you do ABC. So your friend, the lawyer, who can't help you on the legal side, may be able to help you with some information that could save you some time, save you some effort, and possibly also save you some money.